Hello everyone, my name is Anjali and welcome to my channel Versatile Vlogs. So today's video is about sleep bonnet. So the very first tagline that comes to my mind when it comes to sleep bonnet is no more horror morning my curlies. Curly hair after sleep are always terrifying. Totally a mess. I mean कोई भूत से हम लोग कम नहीं लगते, right? Okay, so jokes apart, talking about the sleep bonnet, I hope this is coming into the frame. So this is a sleep bonnet from Hair Love India. This is such a bliss for curly hair. I mean, thank you Hair Love for such a lovely product. This has cut down my efforts almost to half. It protects your hair from frizziness. And let me tell you one thing that I observed personally is it cut down the already introduced frizziness to some extent. I mean, protecting your hair from frizziness was already a great job, but cutting down the frizziness that is already introduced is just cherry on the cake. So before I move towards the pros and cons of this bonnet, it's important for you people to know why sleep bonnets, right? So in a single word, an answer to this question why is friction. Friction between your hair itself and the friction between your hair and the pillow cover or the bed sheet wherever you sleep is eliminated, because of which number of benefits are obtained. So the very first, it protects your hair from dryness. The second, reduces the breakage. Number three, prevents tangle to some extent. And last but not the least, number four, since the breakage is reduced, the tangles are prevented, hair thinning problem is also resolved, isn't it? So it's just like a kavach, a suraksha kavach to your lovely curly hair while you sleep. So talking about the sleep bonnet, which is from Hair Love India, Hair Love India has choices in two aspects. One is the fabric and the second one is the shape. So the very first aspect, fabric, again it has two choices. One is the silk and the other one is the satin. Silk is something which I personally found to be expensive. So this is the satin one. Even the satin one is also expensive, but I just thought why not give it a try, and it's really worth it. And now I'm like, satin is doing such a great job, what will silk do? But yes, I have not used it, so I won't comment on that part. But yes, again, silk is serving the purpose to a great extent. The second aspect is the shape. So it has four choices in the shape, that is jumbo, regular, long and medium. So jumbo and regular is something that comes in a circular shape, where all your hair will be plopped up at your crown section. And if you are a person of having the pineapple pattern when you sleep, just go for jumbo and regular depending upon the length of your hair. If your hair is quite long, go for jumbo. If your hair is short, go for regular. Whereas talking about long and medium, this is something which I have preferred. It will be looking something like this, so this will have your hair in the falling manner, the way you carry when your hair is not clutched up. So again, depending upon the length of your hair, if your hair is quite long, go for long, and if your hair is quite short, then go for medium. Finally, coming towards the pros and cons. So starting with the pros first, obviously. So very first point, comfort, no irritation. Yes, you can sleep all your night with all your comfort. As you can see, this particular bonnet has a tie band at its end, so you can just tie it up as your preference. You want it tight, you can tie it. You can tie it tight. If you want it loose, if you can keep it a bit loose. So it is totally comfortable all over your night, and it doesn't comes off also. Yes, this point is also to be noted. It doesn't comes off your hair all over the night. So yes, that is also one point. The second point is it has same finish at both the ends, so you can wear it from both the sides as well. Third thing is it has two types of sizes as per your hair length. It has two types of shapes as per your preference. It protects your hair from frizziness, it protects your hair from dryness, it prevents your curl pattern. बस और क्या चाहिए, isn't it? So that were all the pros I have noted down, and the cons. Really, I do not have any negative point to say about it. I mean, I'm using it for last 4 months, and till now I am in just love with it. The moment I was buying it, I was like, how it will go while having this thing all over the night on your head, and I mean, will it be comfortable? But as I mentioned it in the as the very first point in the pro, that it is totally comfortable. It doesn't get off your head all over the night. It stays intact to your head, and it has adjustable thing to it as per your preference. So yes, I don't have any con to it. That's all I have for today. Yeah, so do like, share and subscribe to my channel if you like the video, and keep waiting for my next video. Till then, love you all. Bye bye. Ta-da.